How to verify age on Roblox with school ID. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can verify your Roblox with your school ID. So Roblox uses a system called age verification to help ensure that players are of appropriate age. Unfortunately, Roblox typically does not accept school IDs or similar document for age verification. Instead, they rely on other methods such as date of birth provided during the account registration and all that. Here's how you can verify your age. So for that, when you're creating your account, users are required to provide their date of birth. Users under the age of 13 are subject to additional privacy protection, which means that they need a parental guidance. Only then the account will be created. Now for users under the age of 13, now Roblox require parental consent for certain activities including chat messages and joining builders club, etc. Now parent or legal guardian can provide consent now during this account setup process. Now if you go on and log in into your Roblox account, tap on the three dot icon located right in the corner, scroll down a bit, go to settings, and under settings go to account info. Over here you'll be able to see your account information page, and once you're on this page, scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find personal, and under that particular section you have verify age. If you tap on it, here it's clearly mentioned that in order to verify your age, you'll need to provide in your following identification. So you can go through the above statement, and if you're sure about it, then click on start session and you can just take a picture of your ID and all that, and you'll be able to verify your age. In this way you can verify your age, and that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.